Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix crash on startup in Steam. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Steam to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list. This will open your Steam configuration panel where you can adjust various settings. In the left panel of the settings window, click on Downloads. This section controls how Steam handles your game downloads and cache. Scroll down until you find Clear Download Cache with a button right beside it that says Clear Cache. Go ahead and click Clear Cache. Steam will prompt you to confirm this action, so click Confirm to proceed. Clearing the download cache removes temporary files that might be causing conflicts with your game startup. Now, navigate back to your Steam main window by clicking Library in the upper left corner. Locate the game that's crashing on startup in your library, right-click on it, and select Properties from the context menu. This opens a dedicated settings page for that specific game. In the Properties window, find the option that says Enable the Steam overlay while in-game and toggle it off by clicking the switch right beside it. Turning off Steam overlay can help resolve the crashing issue, as the overlay sometimes conflicts with certain games during startup and causes them to crash. Next, in the left sidebar of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section manages your game's local installation. Look for the button that says Verify Integrity of Game Files and click on it. Steam will now scan your game files and replace any corrupted or missing files that might be causing the crash. Wait for this process to complete, as it may take a few minutes depending on the size of your game. If the game still doesn't work after verifying files, you'll need to try running Steam with administrator privileges. In the upper left corner, click on Steam again and select Exit to completely close the application. Once Steam is fully closed, find the Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your programs list, right-click on it, and select Run as Administrator. This gives Steam elevated permissions that might be necessary for certain games to launch properly. Additionally, outdated GPU drivers are a common cause of game crashes on startup. Make sure to update your GPU drivers through your graphics card manufacturer's website, whether that's NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel. Keeping your drivers current ensures compatibility with the latest games and can resolve many startup crashes. With these steps completed, your Steam game should now launch without crashing. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.